What's up again? This is James Garville, and I'm going to be teaching you how to install a headset. Alright, so you want to get your bottom headset on your fork, get it all greased up, and then you want to take your frame and put your fork through the head tube nice and swiftly. Then you want to take your top bearing and just slide that into your frame. Get that in there. Nice and sturdy. Then you want to apply this cap, wedge cap. Put that in. Make sure it sits inside the bearing, like that, like so. Then you want to apply your dust cap. Slide that on there. Get your ultralight, super fast carbon fiber spacer. Slide that on there. Then you want to take your handlebars. You know, gotta get the Aussie bars on there. Slide your stem. Slide your stem on there. A little trouble.
Want some help?
Huh?
Want some help?
You didn't really loosen this that much. I'm going to loosen these bolts. Make sure your stem slides on nice and smoothly, like you're just slipping out of a vagina.
Smooth and steady.
Just
Oh,
slide
there it
on
goes. Right on there.
Just right on there. And then you want to apply
Like
a compression bolt. Get that in there. Make sure that your wheel is aligned with your stem. Very crucial, important, because you don't want to have your bars turned and think you're going one way and actually be going straight.
then you eat Devlin at the park.
Tighten your compression bolt to a nice steady tightness, so it's firm in there, and then align your wheel up.
James Clay, she closed one eye and make sure all's good.
Yeah, you gotta sniper it. Just gotta make sure everything's
Like you're about to shoot Osama bin Laden right between the eyes.
Just make sure that thing's precise.
With
Like you're a Navy SEAL going in for the kill.
You got your Beretta 50 cal sniping off the Washington Monument.
Just make sure the whole head is off the body before you execute.
Just take it all out.
Alright, you just want to tighten your stem down. Go a couple turns each time, then switch it over. And then you should be good. Alright, that's it.